everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm starting a super exciting video. It is Friday the 8th of January and we are about to go on a weekend trip to the Swiss mountains. So I thought I would take you guys along and vlog the entire weekend. Let's see what we get up to in the Swiss mountains. So I'm being picked up in about an hour's time. So I need to finish packing. I need to change into some winter clothes because I think it's going to be freaking cold. And then we'll get on the road. I think it's about a 4-hour trip, so it's pretty far, but I'm sure we'll have a lot of fun in the car. And I will show you guys around once we arrive tonight. Hello everyone, I hope you're enjoying the vlog so far. We are now on Sunday. I hope that you enjoyed our adventures yesterday. We had so much fun. We went to a quite famous glacier here in Switzerland and we have been enjoying just the mountains and hiking and sledding and acting like children. And now we're going for another hike, which I'll take you guys along, and then we'll get on our way to go back to Zurich. It is now Monday. It's about 12:30. I just came back from work. I've been at work since 6 a.m. this morning and they sent me home a bit early because we didn't have that much to do today. So I have the whole day in front of me and I'm not sure. Well, actually, I do know what I'm gonna do. I have so many things to do. But anyway, we got back from the mountains yesterday night, very late. And it's been absolutely an incredible weekend. We had so much fun. It was so nice to get away from the city and in the winter wonderland and enjoy the snow and the sun and the views. Oh, it was so nice. Hopefully you got kind of the idea through the video as well. I went with a guy that I started dating, so I don't know how much you want to know about that. But if you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments. I will happily answer. But I thought I'd just throw that in video so you know who I went with and how that's going. But I didn't really vlog or really talk that much, so the video is really short. So I thought I'd just keep vlogging throughout this week and kind of throw in some random everyday daily life stuff as well. So today I want to get started on my 2021 vision board. I want to figure out what I actually want for this year so I can film the video this week. I have a few days off during the week, so I need to do that. I also want to plan a few other videos that I want to film. I need to clean up my room because I already destroyed it when I came back yesterday. I was just so tired. I had no energy, so I need to unpack and clean up and maybe do some laundry. Yeah, but for now I'm gonna sit down and plan some stuff. I might draw a little bit in my coloring book that I got for Christmas. I don't know why, it's just so relaxing. I might do that as well, and maybe I'll also take a nap this afternoon because I'm exhausted. Getting up at 4:30 this morning I'm not used to that. By the way, before I went home from work, I actually stopped by and just tried on a few pieces of clothing. I want to buy just a few new pieces. I'm feeling a little bit inspired and in need of a wardrobe update. So I went and tried on some things, and I'll insert the clips here of the things I tried on, and I'm gonna think about it today and then maybe buy it tomorrow and see which of the items I end up really liking. So I'll insert them here. Did this mocktail. I actually got inspired for New Year's because I made this for New Year's as well. I needed some motivation to do my planning. So this is actually ginger beer, crushed blueberries, a bit of lemon, and some brown sugar, and it's so good. I've been craving it ever since New Year's, so I thought I'd treat myself while I do some planning and organizing. Good morning, everyone. I look so tired because I just woke up. It is Wednesday now. It's the 13th of January. It's my day off. I didn't set an alarm and I just slept, and it's 9:45. I think I just really needed to sleep. I never sleep in, so I don't know, now I feel exhausted. So I'm gonna have to wake up in some way. So I'm gonna sit down and have some breakfast. But before then, I got a really exciting package from H&M, so I will just quickly open it with you guys, but I'm going to film a whole video of everything later this afternoon, so you will see that somewhere soon or even before this video. I will link it in the card up here if it's already out. But yeah, let's open this package. I'm so excited. Okay, so I'll put you here, and I'm using this chair. Let's see. Woo! Oops. Okay, here we go. The receipt. Oh, what's this? Oh, it's the belt. Well, you can see that in the whole video, so I don't want to unpack that right now. I will show you quickly, otherwise this is mean. But please watch the whole video as well. There's also other items. Wow, I just looked at myself. Wow. Ooh, this feels so nice. So the first item, a white long cardigan. This looked so elegant on the model, so I'm hoping it'll look the same on me. The next thing is also this creamy white. I have a color theme this time. I always shop in color. It is a white long flowy shirt. The next piece is actually quite similar, but this is meant to be like open, like a cardigan long flowy jacket kind of thing. So it's very, very, very long. So you'll have to go to my haul video to see the trying on part of these items, to see how it all fits. So I will link it down below. I will leave it in a card up here, and hopefully you enjoy the video if you watch it. Okay, everyone, so I just finished filming, which is why my hair is so fancy and I'm wearing makeup. I just filmed two new videos, so that's very exciting, and I can't wait to edit and post it all. So there's one thing I wanted to update you guys on before I finish this weekly vlog, which I don't know when I will do, but there's one thing I wanted to talk to you guys about. Maybe you saw my vision board update, what I achieved in 2020, but if you didn't, that video, if you didn't watch that, I'm going to tell you something now. Maybe I can show you guys. Hold on, it's kind of hard with one hand. I got a tattoo. Actually, I got two. So these are my first tattoos. It's something that was on my vision board for 2020. It's something that I've wanted for so many years. I think 7 years ago I had the idea with this tattoo, the free one. So I wanted to actually take you guys through the process, or just show you guys a few clips that I filmed two or 3 weeks ago when I went to get the tattoos on the 22nd of December, just before Christmas. I went to Getaway, which is a place here in Zurich. I'm very, very, very happy with the experience. It went amazing. I'm super happy with the result. The process was really cool. It was really fun. The girl who did it, Delia, I will post her Instagram somewhere here on the screen. She did an amazing job and she was so sweet, and it was just such a fun, positive, good experience. So I'm really happy about that. So I will insert the clips here. Recently posted some pictures on Instagram. If you want more of a close-up of the tattoos, I'll also maybe insert clips here that I filmed for the vision board video so you can see them up close as well. And I also then wanted, of course, to tell you guys about the ideas behind them and the meanings behind them. So the first one, the free one, is one that I've had in my head for so many years. It just is a reminder and a symbol of my mental journey, actually just having freedom to be myself, to be happy, and to do what I want in life and make choices that are right for me and not right for all other people, and basically be free of everyone else's opinion, be free of my own limitations. I've had, you guys may know by now, struggles with anxiety, low confidence, no confidence, low self-esteem, things like that. And I've grown so much over the past, especially last year, that I just felt it was the right time to get the tattoo, because I wanted to kind of solidify my growth, but also have it as a reminder to keep growing and keep fighting for my freedom and for my happiness. So yeah, the second one, that one is a minimalistic tattoo, fine line tattoo. It's really, really, really beautiful. I think it's so cool. It is basically mountains, which means it has two meanings. So it's also a symbol of my journey moving to Switzerland, because as you guys may know, Switzerland is full of mountains. And so it's kind of a symbol of that, and it's been the most insane journey, and I've grown so much from moving abroad, and it was basically just the push I needed to find myself and to find my happiness. So it's a symbol of that, but it's also just a reminder or a sign or like a visualization of how much I love to be outside and to be in the mountains. Since moving to Switzerland and going to the mountains so much, I just discovered a whole new side of me, and I love it. I love being in the mountains. The views, the fresh air, the hikes up and down, memories you create with people, and sitting there in the raw, huge, impressive nature. It's so good for my soul, and reminds me of the things that are important in life and my priorities, and to be grateful. So that's that. Those are my new tattoos. I'm not planning to get any more right now, but I'm definitely open to it if I have any ideas. But I'm so happy. I don't know why I waited so long to get them. I just wanted to show you guys that and share that with you. And now I'm gonna go have lunch because I'm really fucking hungry. Okay guys, so I've sat down at my desk. It is time to edit this video, so I'm going to finish up the vlog. I just had a pita bread with tuna and bell pepper for lunch. Now I'm having a little bit of a snack. I also baked a cake yesterday, so don't think I'm going on a health kick right now. I'm gonna have a piece of that cake when I'm done editing. But yeah, I'm gonna sit down, edit this video, edit the other videos, do some work, and I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I had so much fun, especially with the mountains and everything. Showing you guys that is just so good. Yeah, so I just hope you enjoyed it. I will be back with a new vlog, and as you know, many more videos very soon. So I hope you're all doing well. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions or any comments, please feel free to leave them down below, and I will see you soon. Bye.